Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sell Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. For that, you will have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you need to tap on the browser tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you will be landed on this browser page where you just have to scroll down, and in the DeFi section, you are going to see PancakeSwap. So you need to tap on PancakeSwap and then you will be landed on the official website of pancakeswap.finance. We are going to use PancakeSwap in order to swap Shiba Inu with any other coin, and it simply equals to selling Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. Now over here on this page, the first thing that you need to do is to simply connect your Trust Wallet with it. For that, you are going to see a connect button in the top right hand corner. So you need to click on that connect button. And after that, you will have to select the Trust Wallet in order to connect your Trust Wallet with PancakeSwap. Afterwards, you need to tap on this Ethereum icon over here and you need to change it to BNB chain. Now over here, as we want to sell Shiba Inu, in the first section you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and then in the search bar you simply need to search for Shiba. Now once you have found Shiba Inu in front of you, you will have to tap on Shiba, and then in the second section you will have to select that particular coin in which you want to convert your Shiba Inu coin. For that, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button, and after that you can select USDT. Then you will have to enter the amount of Shiba Inu that you want to sell, and then it will show you the conversion in USDT as well. So over here you just have to scroll down and then tap on the swap option, and after waiting for some time you will be able to easily sell Shiba Inu on Trust Wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.